Here we have a kit for a Honda CRF450R, 25 and onwards. Top teams are using them. If you're familiar with Supercross, MXGP, things like that, you'll see things that look like this. And this is the kit that you can buy and put in your own 450R. It's trick. It's like the best of the best that Showa can do. Kashima uppers, PVD lowers. It's got the trick black feet on them, and valved quite firm. You know, it's for people who are racing. Perform awesome. They look fantastic. The good thing is, obviously being production based, you can just drop them in your bike and away you go. There's no sort of modifying anything to fit. It just works. We'll have a bit of a look at them. Start with the fork. Kashima uppers, nice and slippery. Beautiful PVD lower. You know, not only does it look trick, it's designed to be a little bit more slippery than your standard chrome. You've got quite a trick looking adjuster on the top there and the bottom. So they really do put some effort into these things. Internally, they're different as well. So everything that slides and moves around has a nice coating on it. Makes the thing feel unreal. The same goes for the shock. They're running with the same idea to make the thing nice and smooth, obviously, so it doesn't feel harsh, but still firm, so it performs quite well. So it has obviously all the production architecture, so it'll still be the same length, still be the same body style. Same with the forks. So there shouldn't be any dramas having this thing go straight in your bike and you're off around the track. So here we also have the A kit for the older bike. This is 17 to 21. Forks are quite similar, but the big difference is the shape of the shock. Same deal. So this fits the previous generation bikes, 2017 to 2021. Big difference is the shock head's a different shape. Anyone who has one of those bikes knows these face the other way. This is also a common platform for a lot of guys doing their alloy frame CR500 conversions. So if you're doing that, might be time to look at a set of these. Could be a nice little addition to your build if you're in that sort of thing. But yeah, we have a bunch of these as well. Fit great, look great, same sort of deal. I don't know what to say from here. It's trick as hell.